Welcome back, everyone. My name's Bryan Roschetzky, and this is going to be another review of the Kia Soul EV. I've had it now for about 3 years, and we're going to load up, head down to the skate park, and yeah, let's go. Finn, over here. Back, everyone. My name's Bryan Roschetzky. This is my 3-year review of my 2016 Kia Soul EV. I've owned this now for almost exactly 3 years. It currently has 40,773 miles on it. I've driven it to a few different cities here in Texas, but mainly right around Austin. And it's been a wonderful car. Not a single repair this entire time. And again, this is a full electric version of the Kia Soul EV. It is 100% all electric goodness. And yeah, so we're driving down to the skate park. Me and my son are going to have a little fun skate session this morning, and kind of give you a little update on how this amazing car is holding up after what is about 5 years of being on the road. So yeah, so anyways, we're heading over, and yeah, we'll see you when we get there. All right, we're here at the skate park now. Backing up, you can hear my pedestrian sound, making sure that I don't run over any blind kitty cats. I'm sorry, but you know, I'm just playing. All right, we're here. Go have fun.
She had.
you one of those unloading things here. I love seeing those. So we're gonna unload everything in the car, take it out, show you exactly how much amazing space is in electric car. This blanket in there. Didn't even know I had this breakfast handle. Got my thing here. It's like all the normal stuff that would normally fit in the vehicle, laptop, all the stuff. Backpack, extra gear, all sorts of stuff, right? Alright, that's kind of all the normal stuff right there. But check this out. This is the part of the EV that I really want you to check out. Now, alright, check this out. Secret storage. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can even kind of hold it like that. Check that out. So as a photographer, I love to keep most of my gear in here. And now you can see if this wasn't here, I would have like almost no space with like everything else that I keep in the back of the car. So this right here is all my photography gear, like a hammer, wall mount for all my wall art. I like to keep, paper towels in there. I got a boom box right here, and a little Bluetooth speaker. We got the power inverter so we can charge the drone batteries. This is my Tesla adapter so I can charge on Tesla destination chargers. Check that out. That's a J1772 to Tesla adapter, pretty sweet. Got my tripod and an extra extension cord. I'm gonna need that. And so yeah, all of this even kind of comes out. Whoa. Got my air compressor, everything under here, no spare tire. But if I really wanted to, I could take all this out, have a lot of extra weight saving as well. This Kia Soul EV still gets a great review in my book. And I'll definitely continue driving it until I get something like my Cybertruck. Because even with the efficiency of 5 miles per kilowatt hour, that instant torque is instantly gratifying. And of course, when I first bought this vehicle, one of my biggest worries was battery degradation. And over the first few years, there was a little bit of battery degradation. I think I'm sitting still at a 91 to 95 mile range at my top end, and at best case, this car once saw about 112 to 118, maybe 120 mile range if I was lucky. So, the amount of range in this vehicle still is amazing, and I think it's gonna last for many, many years to come. And over the years, I keep continuing to really want to upgrade this vehicle to something better, but the jump of different price ranges between EVs to something better is drastic. And if I can't find something that was the same price as this vehicle but better, then I'm definitely gonna just be waiting for my Cybertruck. There's nothing else out there that has better specs for the cost. And with the Tesla Supercharger network, the Cybertruck's probably going to be the best and last vehicle I may ever own. So thanks again for watching my Kia Soul EV review. I have some amazing clips coming up right here that really gonna kind of show you the performance and the off-road capabilities of the Kia Soul EV as well. But thanks for watching this edit from Roschetzky Photography. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that great stuff. There's even a link in the description if you want to check out my Patreon account, where you can find perks and bonuses and all sorts of extra stuff, and just help support the channel. If you think this video has brought you value, you can think about supporting me on Patreon. But for everyone else out there, thanks again for watching. The best form of support is simply being here and watching my videos. So thanks again. Y'all guys have a great day. Anything you can do, I can do electric. go do some snowboarding at Giga, Texas. Come on, Musk. You need me to be your spokesperson for your Cybertruck adventure snowboarding trip? Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's do it! And yeah! Yeah! Did a jump! Woo! Yeah. Electric car is the way to go. Oh man, look at that, it's just bumping. Oh, so deep over here.
Hey everyone, this is my video time capsule. It's year 2021, midsummer, and this is my electric car. I want to make this because everyone else is still driving gas-powered cars. My car's electric, bought it used, it was cheaper than the gas-powered EV Kia Soul on the lot, totally paid off. You know, I have probably saved, I don't know how much money driving this EV. It has insane amount of torque. It's one of the fastest cars I've ever owned. Way faster than my previous Mazda that I've sold because I now own this EV.
Car out. The Mazda wouldn't start. Well, screw ICE cars. Mazda wouldn't start. So we're gonna take the old electric car and we're gonna have a snow day in the electric car.
Zero maintenance since I've had it. It's a 2016 year model. So that's the reason why I really want to make this. So in the future, when everyone else is driving electric cars, what I've been doing is buying Tesla stock, buying ChargePoint stock, but mainly buying Tesla stock. Preparing for the future, because all of this, my artwork, my photography, everything I have accomplished, my profit margins have gone out the roof because I no longer have to pay for gas when I drop off my canvases. I no longer pay for gas and transportation when I do my drone photography, when I fly my drone, when I do my stock photography. The profit margins are great. And no pollution, all of that, strictly a benefit of design of having the best product available. So again, time capsule 2021, where were you at and what were you doing?
So again, thanks for watching my Kia Soul EV review video. It's been a wonderful 3 years and I can't wait to continue driving EV and can't wait to get my Cybertruck. Because this 100-mile range just ain't cutting it anymore. All right, let's rock and roll. Peace out. Grab the Chatamo. Good job. Nice. Look, another Kia Soul EV. Like that.
Daddy, my hands are getting numb.
Hold it real still.
My hands are getting numb.
Are you focusing on me?
Yes.
Can Look in the camera. Are you sure? Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Can you see me in the camera?
Yeah. But my hands are getting very numb.
Are you sure you can